Okay, so you went on your Desmos and you typed in these two equations. The first one is the stuff that's before the inequality, and the zero is what it's after the inequality. And you ended up with two graphs. You ended up with a parabola, which is your quadratic, and that's where we got the x-intercepts from. And I'm just poking these so that they're black again. And the vertex, which is -1, -1, and the y-intercept, which is also 0, 0. Now what I want to do is I want to show you what it should look like on your paper. So on your paper, you should have something that looks like this. Now I did this with my mouse, so be kind. I know it's a little messy, but it does the job. And basically you can see that the x-intercepts are written as coordinates, the y-intercept is written as a coordinate, the vertex is written as a coordinate, but the two things that are missing after I draw the picture. Now I have specific plotted points and then I draw it. Make sure that you have those plotted points. Those are super important. And now we just need to do the solutions. Now the solutions come from step 3, which is solving the inequality. To solve the inequality, we have to take a look at the symbol. And the symbol that's here is a greater than. And because this is a greater than symbol, that means we're looking for everything that is above the line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try really hard not to mess this up. And I'm going to show you that I'm going to look for all of the graph that's above the line, and that is here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it thick so you can see it. There it is. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the other part that's above the line. Now, again, I'm doing above the line because it says greater than. So these are the places that is above the line. Now, again, you're doing this with a pen or a pencil. This is going to be a lot quicker than me inserting and drawing that way. So basically what you're looking for is everything here and everything here. And because this is two separate sections, we're going to need two separate solutions and two separate pieces on the number line. Okay, keep in mind that this is a greater than, which means, and I'll put it over here, that this is an open circle. And it's an open circle because of the fact that it's a greater than symbol. Let me see if I can change the color of this as well so it kind of matches. Okay, so open circle means that when we go to write the solutions, we have to remember that it's going to be open circle, and also on your number line, it's going to be open circle. Now there's two pieces. There's a piece that goes to the left and a piece that goes to the right. And the piece that goes to the left starts at -2 and goes to the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try really hard, again, not to screw this up because this is harder than it looks. Believe me when I tell you. Okay, so I'm scribbling and I'm going to -2. Can I scribble on this? I don't know. Maybe above. Nope. Hold on. Let me try one more time. I feel like maybe. Okay. Here we go. Open circle. Now, I'm not filling this in, so I need, wrong one. No fill. It's an open circle. I do want it a little bit thicker though, so you can see it. There it is. And this is from the -2, and I need the piece going to the left, so it's going to the left. So I need to insert shape, go to here, and this way. Perfect. And then if I can do this, woo-wee, would I be so excited? Yay. Okay, that's my first part. That's my left side from -2, open circle, and to the left. My other one is from 0. So I need to go back over here. And again, with a pen or pencil, this is going to go much faster for you. You're going to just circle your 0, open circle, no fill, and make it thick so you can read it. And then we're going to, this one. We're going to draw an arrow to the right because this one is the separate one moving to the right. So this is going to go here to the right. We're going to make it nice and thick. And boom. So this is what our number line looks like. Our number line at the bottom indicates what these two pieces are doing. Open circle because it's a greater than. A greater than means above the line, but because it's not an equal to, it's open circle. So that's what these do. And then this is two separate pieces, so you have two separate pieces. The other part of this is the symbolic part. And to do the symbolic part of the solution set, because there are two separate solutions, you need two separate pieces. So I need less than, because remember, less than's to the left. I need x is less than -2. That's going to be my first one. That's the left side. I'm going to make that bigger. I'm going to try. Let's do that. Okay. And then also, we'll put an or there. X has to be greater than, because that moves to the right, greater than 0. And this is done. This is all done. This is all you have to do to finish up the questions. So for Desmos, you have to type the first part of the equation in here for number 1 with a y equals, type in the second part for y equals for number 2, and then plot the important pieces and draw it. And then you're going here to the inequality piece. And because this is a greater, you're shading above. It's open circles, so you have open circles on your thing, and two separate pieces, because means that you're doing two separate pieces of your number line. Okie dokie. What we're going to do is take a look at another one.